Hey, what's up guys, it's Crafty Fox, and today we are making the Zootopia SD70MAC inspired freight locomotive. So here is what it looks like. It's from the movie Zootopia. So I guess it runs in Zootopia City. I don't know if that's actually the name of the city, but it has some animal features to this, like the horn in the front and the little tiny ears on the sides, which is kind of cute. And yeah, this is actually a fictional locomotive. It was in the film towards the end when it almost collided head-on with the subway car, but they managed to escape it. And most of the view from the movie was from the front, so I couldn't really see the side. But I was able to, with some blurry images, see the side. This is what I made out to be. I think it says like zoo right here on the side. Got a vent, and also instead of railings, they have this sort of like a wall instead. So it's a lot more simpler, and also the bogies are more simpler as well. I don't think they added like the traction motor inside between the wheels. And I added some like the vents right over here. They are similar to the SD70 Mac, but it's a little bit simplified. So here's what I did for the other side. I added the brake wheel here, and I kept the SD70 Mac vents because I don't know what to do on this side. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the build. I hope you guys enjoy this build if you are a Zootopia fan, and let's get started. So first thing, let's grab our materials. We'll take out black concrete, dark oak slab, dark oak button, nether brick stairs, nether brick wall, dark oak fence, and we'll add in oak fence, dark oak fence gate. I guess we'll leave it alone like that. So we're going to build the front. We'll build one half at a time since the other half is sort of like the same thing. We'll change it later, so we'll add in nether brick stairs. 3 blocks along like that and make the edge cornered. The middle we'll add in 2 black concretes. Dark oak slab right here in the middle. Dark oak button next to it. Then the side and upside down nether brick stairs. And the top part, we'll add in another brick wall right here in the middle, and dark oak fence on top, oak fence to the side. Then we'll add in oak slab right here in the middle, another one diagonally, and then another 2 right here down below. The middle we'll add in nether brick stairs with a dark oak fence gate right there to the side. Then we'll add in 2 blocks black concrete like that, and the middle will have in a stone slab like that. Then we'll add in a spruce trapdoor right here in the middle. Alright, then we'll add in black concrete, 5 blocks, or actually 3 blocks wide right here. Add a upside down nether brick stairs underneath here. Now we can start making the wheels, so take out a gray terracotta, dark oak stairs, hopper, and let's take an end rod, so let's go right over here. So we'll make the first wheel, gray terracotta, dark oak stairs. Then we're gonna skip a block and do the same thing. Skip a block and do the same thing. Add in hoppers to the sides of all the wheels, and hoppers behind the stairs for each of them. Alright, now we're going to add in nether brick slabs. Make an L shape around the hoppers for the outer ones, and apparently this one, I placed this wrong. This should be aligning with the wheel. Add in our nether brick slabs right around it. Now we're going to add in end rods right here in the middle, facing outwards, both sides. Then we'll add in this dark oak trapdoor right above the end rods. Alright, now the inner part of this is going to have another brick wall. It's going to go right above the hoppers for each of them in the middle. And then we'll go to the back and add in another brick slab right there. Now the rest of this middle area, we're going to fill that in with black concrete all the way across. So it should look like this. Alright, very good so far. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go over here, make the fuel tank. So add in black concrete, make it 2 by 2. Like so. Then at the bottom we'll add in another brick stairs, upside down. Then we're going to make this part, so it's going to be 9 blocks long. So I'm going to extend it out, like so. Then we'll add in 4 of these nether brick slabs like that. And then upside down nether brick stairs in the back. All the way across like so. Then the back of this we'll add in another brick slab. 2 blocks like that. Then we're going to go back to the front. And we'll add in dark oak fence gate here. And trapdoor on top of that. Right there on the side. Then we're going to go on the inside part of this. And we'll add in another brick slabs all the way across to the back of this bogey. Like so. Make it simple. Go to the back part here. Add another brick slab in the middle. And another brick wall right there next to it. And this is where the other bogey begins. So now we're to copy this front section from the pilot all the way back to where this fence gate is. And we're going to build it right over here. It lines up with that wall. Alright, so once we have both ends, we're going to go to the back part. We'll add in another brick slab here. Stone slab right next to it. And then a black concrete block. Right there. I'm going to make this part 3 blocks tall like that. Then we're going to go diagonally outwards, add in another 3 black concretes like so. Then we'll add in right above this hopper an oak slab, and this is going to go all the way to the back. Like so. Then we'll go back to the front, add in another brick slab right here, and then 2 red concretes right there in the middle. Then we'll add in another brick slab and a stairs right there in the center, and then on the edge will be another brick slab. Then we'll add in a 2 by 2 of this red concrete, and then right here on the side we'll add in 2 blocks of acacia stairs like so. In the middle we're going to fill that in, make it 2 by 3 of red concrete. Alright, now we'll need to add in red concrete inside, right behind that slab and stairs. Then in the middle we'll have the rhinoceros horn. So that's going to have black concrete, another brick wall on top. And right behind it we'll add in a red glass pane right here. Then a red concrete. We're going to make an upside down L shape. Then we'll add in this black stained glass pane next to the red glass pane, and then make an L shape of black glass right here. Then to the side we'll add in this acacia trapdoor, 2 blocks like that, close them up. And on the roof we'll add in 4 blocks long of this acacia stairs like so. Then we're going to add 2 black concretes inside here. And we'll add in a black stained glass pane here, acacia trapdoor right behind it. Then we'll add in red concrete, make it 3 blocks long here, add 1 up here, and we're going to make this go all the way back down to the bottom. Then we'll add in 2 birch buttons like so, and we'll go in the front. We'll add in a birch fence gate right here in the middle with a birch sign next to it. Then on the roof there will be this dark oak trapdoor right here, and a flower pot right next to it. Then I'm going to fill in the rest of the roof adjacent to that stairs with red concrete, and then there will be 2 stone buttons right behind the trapdoor, and in the inside part an iron trapdoor like so. Now this is the part where it turns gray, so we'll take out cyan terracotta, and we're going to make it 2 blocks long right here. Then we'll add in 2 bedrocks, and then we'll add in 4 cyan terracottas. Alright, then we're to go make this go all the way down right there to the bottom. Then we'll add in acacia stairs. We're going to make it 2 blocks long like that. And add another acacia stairs on the inside part. Then we'll add in this red concrete, and this is going to go 2 blocks like that, and add in 2 bedrocks, and then red concrete all the way to the back. Then on top of this bedrock, we're going to add in a pair of trapdoors, acacia, and skip a block, another pair of acacia trapdoors. Then we'll add in red carpet right here on the sides. It's going to go all the way across to the back. Then we'll add in another column of this cyan terracotta like so. Then this is the part where we turn black. So this is going to have 2 nether brick slabs in the middle and then a dark oak fence gate. Then we'll add in 3 nether brick slabs like that, and then we'll add another brick slabs all the way across the side. Alright, and then we're going to add a black concrete underneath the fence gate. And then we'll add in black concrete all the way down right here on the edges of this nether brick slab. Cross like that, and then the bottom column, I'm going to fill that in, that bottom row, with black concrete. Now I'm going to leave that alone since the other side, I believe they might have flipped the logo. So now I'm going to move up to this part here, and that's going to be 2 blocks wide of this red concrete. So then we're going to go to the back and add 2 blocks tall red concrete, go diagonally, and then we'll add in bedrock underneath this red concrete, make it go all the way to the back. And then on top of that, we'll add in acacia stairs, goes all the way across to the back as well. Then we'll make this acacia trapdoor row at 2 blocks tall, actually, all the way across the sides of these vents. And it should look like this. Once we're done with that, we'll add in red concrete across the middle. Then we're going to add in a pair of daylight detectors, skip a block, 1 more, skip a block, another pair, and then make them all blue. And in the back, we'll add in a birch fence gate right here in the middle, open it up for the twin lamp, and we'll add in a birch sign next to it on the side. Alright, looks good so far, and in the back, we'll get rid of this plow. I'm going to make that black concrete instead. And this side here, we can make it go face outwards like so. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to fill in these 2 walls with black concrete, and this wall in with cyan terracotta. Alright, so after we're done with that, we'll add in a red concrete right behind the cab area. Then we'll add in 2 blocks tall of this red glass pane, and this is going to go all the way across, right around here to the back. Right there, and then these 2 parts are going to connect. Alright, so once that's all been filled in, we'll go right here, line up with this fence gate. And we're going to go down a block here and down another block, delete these 3 black concretes. And then we'll add in 3 upper quartz slabs like that. Then the inside part, we're going to fill that in with black concrete. And then fill in the top part of that with black concrete as well. Next, we'll go back to the front side of the cab. We'll add in an iron trapdoor right there. Now we need to add in this door banner, so go to our loom, take out a black banner with red dye, and we're going to make a border around it. Put that back in, and we're going to go across the bottom half of it, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to build that right at the back of the cab like so. Alright, so yeah, I think we're pretty much done with the symmetrical areas. Now what we're going to do, we're going to copy what we did on the side, and we're going to build it onto the other side. Alright, so once we have both sides, let's add some more asymmetrical details. So let's go in the front, add in these 2 block tall acacia fence gates, open them up. Then we'll add in a jungle wood button right there on top of the hood. Then go right here to the side, add in a red sandstone wall right here. Then we'll fill in this bottom row all the way across with red concrete until we reach that oak slab. And it should be right there. Next we'll go on the other side, and this time we're going to use oak slabs, and this is going to go all the way across to the other side like so, and then we'll add in acacia slab right there. Then we'll take out dark oak bun and add it every other block, so for 3 blocks like that. And then we'll go back to this side and add in diagonally a 3 block wide bedrock, and then underneath that we're going to add in a 2 block tall hole, fill that in with sand terracotta, and the front with another brick wall. So it looks like that. Now for the Zootopia logo, or the zoo, we'll delete the 3 right above the slabs, and we're going to make this go face towards the back, and then 2 upside down ones, so it sort of makes like a zoo shape. Then underneath on the left hand side we'll delete these 2 blocks, and we'll add in iron trapdoors like that. We could fill that in black concrete, and that's the logo basically. So we'll just build the same thing over here, just the other direction, and get our iron trapdoor right at the bottom of this, then fill that in with black concrete. Oh no, this is a little tricky to fill that in because I still see a hole there. Alright, so I think that's filled in both sides. And now we need to add in this thing, the blower duct, I believe. So that's going to have to be lined up with these 2 trapdoors. So skip a block here, make a 2x2 of gray glass pane, and then we'll add in these 2 stone stairs. The back one's going to be cornered like so. Then we'll move up to the back, and we'll need to add in this ladder on this side. So that's going to be acacia fence gate right here at the top. Open it up. The bottom is going to have 2 dark oak fence gates. Open them up at the bottom. Then we'd go to the back, line it up with this daylight detector. Go down here, add a oak trapdoor, and close it up like so. Alright, so for our last step, we'll go underneath this side of the cab, delete these 2, and we'll fill that in with bedrock. And never mind, for our actual last step, we'll delete this block here, add in acacia stairs upside down, and our red carpet on top. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to build a Zootopia SD70MAC inspired freight locomotive in Minecraft. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, hit that like button down below. That really helps grow the channel. And subscribe if you hadn't already, because I'll be uploading more videos on this channel in the future. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.